Welcome everyone to this YouTube channel. In this lesson for today, want to see how we can solve mathematics probability questions. So to begin with, this is the question that we have here. So it's saying that 2 balls are drawn at random from a bag containing 3 white, 3 red, 4 green and 4 black balls, one by one without replacement. Find the probability that both balls are of different colors. So here, the trick part of our question is saying that they are of different colors. So since it has different colors, what we have to do is, the formula that we should use is the probability of E equals the number of favorable outcomes over the total number of outcomes. So here we have seen that we can also say that we can also say let A represent the event of getting 2 balls of different colors. So the event of getting 2 balls with different colors, meaning that what we are going to have here, we are going to have probability of getting white and red. This is the first thing. We are also going to have probability of getting white and green, and the red, the other one. Also here we put the red, so here we put red. Then we are also going to have the probability of getting white and black. Then here we are also going to have the probability of having red and green. We are also going to have the probability of having red and black, plus the other probability we're going to have is green and black. So these are the probabilities that we are going to have. So let's now put the probabilities in this formula that we have. So these are the probabilities that we are going to have. We are going to have these probabilities. Then the other probability that we are going to have is this one. So this is the total number of favorable outcomes as well as the total outcomes that we are going to have. So from here, we started from here. After we had the do this, then we also say plus, then this other one. Then after we simplify this, what we're going to have is 9 over 91 plus 12 over 91 plus 12 over 91 plus 12 over 91 plus 16 over 91 plus 16 over 91. Then from here, when we add all these on top, we are going to have 77 over 91. Therefore, the required probability of different colors when two balls are drawn is going to be 11 over 13. And this is the final answer. Let's now see how we can answer this other question. Two cards are drawn from a pack of cards. Find the probability that both the cards are either black or they are egg. So the first thing that we should understand is, in probability, when we use the term or, which is this one here, we mean the union. So that means that we are talking about the union set. So here the question is saying that either black or they are egg. Therefore, the formula that we're going to use so that we answer this question is going to be probability of A union B equals the probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. And this is the formula that we are going to use. So let's try to find out what is the value of our sample space. So we know that in a pack of cards there are 52 cards that are there, and the question says that 2 cards are drawn. So I mean, to find the sample space, which is S, we are going to say 52 cards which are in the pack of cards combine the 2 cards which were drawn, and therefore the sample space that we're going to have is going to be 1326, which is 1326, and this is going to be our sample space. Let's now see, the question has also said the cards are either black or they are egg. So we also know that in a pack of cards there are 26 black. There are 26 black. We as well know that in a pack of 52 cards there are 4 egg cards. There are 4 egg cards. So therefore their probabilities as well are going to be in this way. So we let A to represent black cards. Black cards to represent black. So since we said there are 26 cards in the pack of cards which are black, meaning that the value of A is going to be 26. The value of A is going to be 26 combine 2, which is going to be 325. We also let B to represent egg cards. Therefore, its probability is going to be 4 egg cards combine 2, which is going to be 6. Which is going to be 6. So to find the A intersection B, we know that 2 cards are the ones which were drawn. So A intersection B, we are going to have the 2 cards which were drawn. We also assume that all these cards were also egg or black from there, meaning that to find the A intersection B, we're just going to say 2 combine 2, which is going to give us 1. So we can now apply our formula there. We can now apply our formula, which is probability of A union B cross equals probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So this is the formula that we're going to use. We can now substitute. The probability of A we have found to be we found 325 over the total sample space that we found was 1326 plus the probability of B that we have found is 6 over the same total sample space, which is 1326 plus, so according to the formula here, so we put here minus, according to the formula minus. So the probability of intersection B that we have found is 1 over the total sample space as well, which is 1326. So if we simplify all this, we are going to have 330 over 1326. Therefore, the required probability of getting 2 cards is going to be 55 over 221, and this is the final answer. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also like the video.